And Joe Biden coordinating with 9 Democratic governors, including Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker, on the future of abortion rights in the country.
Each of those governors has secured state protections to allow the medical procedure to continue to be an option. WGN's Andrea Medina has more.
It's been 1 week since the Supreme Court voted to overturn Roe v. Wade, ending the constitutional right to abortion after almost 50 years.
A terrible, extreme decision, in my view, upending lives and impacting on the health and safety of millions of women. And I share the public outrage at this extremist court.
On Friday afternoon, President Joe Biden met virtually with 9 Democratic governors, including Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker. They have each secured state protections to allow the medical procedure to continue to be an option.
New Mexico certainly saw this coming as a potential. We quickly, a year ago, I signed into a law repealing an antiquated, unconstitutional law that could criminalize abortion.
And New York Governor Kathy Hochul announced pending legislation in her state that would preserve abortion access for women and clinics.
I signed 6 bills related to protecting our providers. After the decision came down, we will stop the extradition of any search for one of our providers or a woman who's in our state who are wanted under criminal charges. That's not happening in New York. And we're also defending our abortion providers.
Access to abortion is still legal in 16 states and D.C. For states that will no longer permit the termination of pregnancy, the president says it's detrimental for people in crisis.
If you got a 11-year-old child who's a victim of incest and finds herself pregnant, which occurs, that, she can't get choice. Her health can't be protected.
In the aftermath of the Roe decision, the president has vowed to support availability to the abortion bill and provide protection to women who need to cross state lines to get the procedure.
The federal government will act to protect her bedrock rights through the Attorney General's office.
I'm Andrea Medina, WGN News.